Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Transit radiator. Before beginning, prioritize safety by ensuring the engine is completely cool. Gather all necessary tools, including a socket wrench set, various pliers, a fluid drain pan, and fresh coolant. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues during the process. Now let's drain the old coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly under the radiator's drain plug or the lower radiator hose. Open the coolant reservoir cap to release system pressure, allowing the fluid to drain more efficiently. Unscrew the drain plug or carefully detach the lower hose to empty the coolant into your pan. Next, use hose clamp pliers to remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors from the cooling fan shroud. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. Begin by removing any splash shields or underbody panels that obstruct your access. Next, unbolt the cooling fan shroud and carefully lift it out of the engine bay. Detach any additional brackets or lines, such as the AC line bracket, that are connected to the radiator. Then, locate and remove the 4 main mounting bolts holding the radiator. Finally, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the vehicle. Now, let's install your new radiator. Carefully lower the new radiator into position, ensuring it sits properly on its lower rubber mounts. Reattach the cooling fan shroud and secure it with its mounting bolts. Reconnect all radiator hoses, making sure the clamps are tight and secure to prevent leaks. Plug in all electrical connectors for the cooling fan and any sensors. Finally, refill the system with the manufacturer-specified coolant mixture. Run the engine with the heater on high, allowing it to reach operating temperature, and top up the coolant as needed to bleed out any trapped air.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.